Welcome to Top Data Sources for Deal Sourcing in India, free plus paid. Today, we'll dive deep into how private equity and venture capital firms identify promising investment opportunities in the dynamic Indian market. Deal sourcing is the absolute lifeblood of private equity and venture capital. Without a robust pipeline of potential investments, even the smartest strategies fall flat. The lifeline of private equity and venture capital depends entirely on a consistent flow of high-quality deals. It's about finding those hidden gems before anyone else does. Strong sourcing isn't just about finding deals. It's about gaining a competitive edge in winning high-quality opportunities in an increasingly crowded market. With increasing competition, relying solely on traditional networks and personal connections is simply no longer sufficient. You need data. Let's start with some valuable free data sources that can kickstart your deal sourcing efforts. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs, or MCA, offers public access to incorporation documents and financial filings for registered companies in India. It's a goldmine for basic company information. NSE and BSE filings provide detailed disclosures for listed companies, including annual reports, investor presentations, and even information about their subsidiaries. This gives you a broad view of public market players. Government portals like Startup India and DPIIT provide insights into registered startups, sector trends, and various government initiatives that could lead to new opportunities. The primary limitation of these free sources is that data is often scattered across multiple platforms and requires significant manual collation and analysis. Now, let's explore the powerful world of paid platforms, which offer far more structured and comprehensive data for private markets. VCCEdge is a leading platform, offering extensive data on private equity, venture capital, and M&A transactions. It provides detailed profiles, funding rounds, and even contact information for key personnel. Tracxn stands out with its AI-powered search and analytics capabilities. It excels in sector mapping and identifying emerging companies, often providing deeper insights than manual research. PrivateCircle focuses on unique data points specific to the Indian private market, providing detailed company financials and private market intelligence that might not be available elsewhere. So how do venture capital and private equity firms actually leverage these sophisticated platforms in their day-to-day operations? Deal teams use these platforms to screen companies based on crucial criteria, such as funding history, employee count, revenue, and even specific industry classifications. A typical workflow involves using these platforms for initial research, then integrating the data into internal CRM systems for collaborative tracking and due diligence. Platforms also offer powerful tools for analyzing sectoral trends and benchmarking companies against their peers, enabling quick market scans and strategic decision-making. Technology is rapidly transforming deal sourcing, moving beyond simple data aggregation to predictive analytics and automation. Advanced AI and machine learning models are now capable of detecting emerging startups long before they gain mainstream visibility or even appear in traditional news outlets. Natural language processing, or NLP, is crucial for analyzing unstructured data sources like news articles, blogs, research papers, and even job postings to uncover relevant insights. Social signals, such as LinkedIn hiring spikes, product launches, or even subtle shifts in public sentiment, can act as early indicators of a company's potential. Crucially, technology helps reduce inherent biases by widening the sourcing funnel beyond personal networks, ensuring a more objective and comprehensive search for opportunities. AI and machine learning are automating repetitive tasks, allowing deal teams to focus on high-value activities like relationship building and strategic analysis. NLP is the key to unlocking, quote, hidden gems by processing vast amounts of text-based information, identifying patterns and connections that human analysts might miss. Beyond publicly available information and paid platforms, top-tier funds are investing heavily in building their own proprietary data systems. Elite funds combine data from public sources and paid platforms with their own proprietary networks and internal insights to gain an unparalleled advantage. This involves meticulously building internal databases from pitch decks, detailed founder meetings, market surveys, and even informal conversations across their networks. These proprietary insights become a unique, unreplicable moat that others cannot easily replicate, positioning them as market leaders. For instance, they might track micro-trends like emerging D2C subcategories or the growth of regional SaaS players, identifying opportunities far ahead of the curve. So why do top-tier funds put so much effort into building these internal databases? It's about strategically combining free data, paid platform insights, and their own proprietary intelligence to gain a distinct competitive edge in the market. Despite the advancements, deal sourcing in India comes with its own set of challenges, and the future promises even more innovation. The high cost of global platforms versus the specific pricing structures in the Indian market can be a significant challenge for smaller firms. Data quality and reliability remain a persistent challenge, with inconsistencies across different sources requiring careful validation and reconciliation. Regulatory tightening around data privacy, particularly with evolving data protection laws, could significantly restrict data scraping and other sourcing methods in the future. The future of deal sourcing in India lies in the development of hyperlocal platforms that leverage AI, integrate vernacular sources, and seamlessly connect with government APIs for real-time data. Ultimately, the true edge will lie in the sophisticated blending of human networks and intuition with advanced digital intelligence and automation. Data quality and cost remain significant considerations for firms looking to optimize their sourcing strategies. The unique Indian market demands new, innovative tools to stay ahead of the competition. By understanding and utilizing these data sources and technologies, you can significantly enhance your deal sourcing capabilities in India. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and not financial advice.